Here we have two mixed numbers, and in the subtraction problem, it is going to require regrouping because if I look at my fractions, I have 1/4 and 3/4. Even though these are mixed numbers, you can't take 3/4 away from 1/4 without regrouping. So what we're going to do is borrow or regroup. So I'm going to take 1 away from my whole number because this 1 right here, my numerator needs a higher value. So I'm going to borrow from the whole number and we're going to make it a 4. Now I took 1 away. However, in the fraction world, I've got to give a fraction to a fraction. What I mean is I took 1 away. Well, the value of that 1 is going to be 4/4. It's the exact same value. I'm just making it look like a fraction since I'm giving it to a fraction. And when I take 4/4 and give it to 1/4, I now have 5/4. So now my numerator has a large enough value for me to subtract. So I would have 4 minus 3, which is 1, and 5/4 minus 3/4, which equals 2/4. Another strategy is to make the mixed numbers improper fractions. When you create an improper fraction, the numerator becomes larger, so it eliminates the situation that I do have to regroup. I am making equivalent fractions. 5 and 1/4 is equivalent to 21/4. To make an improper fraction, you multiply the denominator times the whole number, and you add your numerator. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21/4. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15/4, and then I subtract. 21 minus 15 gives me 6/4, which is an improper fraction. I can change an improper fraction to a mixed number using division, and that gives me 1 whole and 2/4, which is also equivalent to 1 1/2.